Chataigne, honey, wanted to treat two very deserving dads from our E-family with a makeover to take them from daddy to zaddy.
Yes, yes, yes. So, stage director Tom, he's been with the E-family, Tom Macanmara has been with the E-family for 33 years.
He turned on the first light here, honey.
Yes.
He turned on the first light here.
Yes. And he's a father to a 17-year-old son, John, who will be a senior this fall. And I wanted to give him a makeover inspired by John Krasinski. His stylist, Ilaria Urbanati, styles him. And look at this really fly summer look.
And by the way, that's Tom's style. He's relaxed. He's a beach man.
He's a beach guy.
So what did you do to my Tom?
So I gave him an elevated beach look that is perfect. Tom, come on out. You see us before.
Oh, wait. You guys, hold on. I've been here for 4.5 years. I have never seen Tom in nothing but cargo shorts.
Yes, and a hooded sweatshirt. Remember when I was here last time I made fun of him?
Yes.
Now I stepped up his style game. So
thank you, Melissa. This is so fab.
Tom, you look so handsome. What's the shirt? What's the pants combo?
Okay, so I wanted to elevate his style, but something within his comfort zone. He's a laid-back beach guy. This look is from Macy's. Macy's always has a sale. I purchased this full price. Right now, that shirt is only $28.
Wait, you're lying.
No, I'm not.
Look at me looking. I'm looking at the prices.
Yes.
I can't believe it.
Every man needs a linen pant for summertime. These are white linen pants now on sale for $15.
Oh my God. Well,
so good.
We got to get Tom some white underwear because these Pokemon boxes he has on today.
I know. Hey, I can take a horse
Stop
water,
making
but I
fun of
can't
me.
make him drink.
Stop making fun of me.
He looks so good.
Do you
now,
feel as good as you
I
look?
feel
He
fantastic.
looks good. So, hey, can't forget the shoes. Every gentleman needs some easy slides. These are from Vince CAMUTO from DSW. DSW is the destination to get in-season style shoes. And then we pulled it all together. We took a basic look from Macy's and elevated it with a bit of tailoring from my girl, Alexis Martino. She came and tailored the shirt custom to his sleeve length and the pants to give it the perfect break. And then we gave him some designer shades from GARRETT LEIGHT. This is celebrity dad status. You know who wears GARRETT LEIGHT?
Who?
Brad Pitt, John Legend, Ryan Reynolds.
And now Tom McNamara.
Now look at Tom McNamara is elevated.
Let's get to Preston while I ogle over Tom.
Yes. Okay, so Preston, he's senior producer at E.
Yes.
He is new dad to 1-year-old Teddy. And I gave him a look also inspired by Rami Malek, that burgundy suit that I'm obsessed with. Also stylist Ilaria Urbanati. She is my girl. I love her style.
By the way, he
works.
always looks like he's on an episode of Bad Robot or that show on
Oh,
USA.
yes.
Like Preston always looks like he's about to break into like a secure location.
Well, and he also has been working from home for a year, and he's been in this loungewear look that we need to get out of. And so I gave him this killer suit from Bourbon Summer Cartoon Crisis.
Oh my God!
He looks like $1 million.
He looks like a zaddy, okay?
He looks like a zaddy. You said swipe right. Look at this.
Crazy. Wait, okay, this can't be under $600.
No, it's not. This is what I'm talking about. This suit is from New York-based brand Bourbon Summer Cartoon Crisis. It is $2,500 suit.
Wait, okay, hold on. You broke the budget on this
I
one.
broke the budget.
This is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. So they're it's sustainable. Japanese linen and tencel. They're known for their custom print. So if he opens up the lining of the suit, this is all custom print.
Okay,
And look at the shoes are sustainable. They're from Dr. Scholl shoes. Every guy needs a leather sneaker. This is a closet staple. But what I want to break down here is the fact that the tailoring, a suit that comes off the rack needs tailoring. Once again, Alexis Martino broke it down. She shortened the suit custom for him. It was too long, and then she tailored it for him. He's a petite guy, so it needed a little bit of love. And she did the sleeves, shortened the suit, gave it the perfect break. The tip for the guys at home, when you go to the tailor, make sure you bring the shoes for the suit that you want tailored so it has the perfect break. And then we balance it with the high-low. The shirt is only $36 from Australian brand Globe Apparel. So we balance the high-low, and then look at the shades are from GARRETT LEIGHT. Once again, looking flies perfect.
But hold on, because we actually have one more surprise for you guys.
We do.
What's
Okay.
the surprise?
CLEANLOGIC has gifted the guys an at-home sports and spa kit to make sure their skin is glowing per usual, because we want them to be looking fly when they're not with me and styled by me every day.
Yes. Oh my God, Melissa, you did so good on these guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And you guys can actually book a virtual styling session with Melissa for yourself or for that dad in your life. Visit Melissa's IG at Melissa Chataigne for all the info. Up next, the Bachelor host drama goes next level. Can we just clap for these two guys right now? Because they are hot.